So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and we are again playing Dragon Styles of Berk. So yeah, it's all about Barf and Belch, and to get it, we must have an empty space. Yeah, we'll worry about him later. And it's on discount right now. I should buy it really. So guys, let's buy Barf and Belch. So if we go to shop, we can see get for 2000 runes, and we obviously have that. So let's buy it. Yeah, Barf and Belch unique place. We have placed it. Blah, bleach. Imagine all things we can blow up. Nice, now Barf and Belch are here. We need to send them to training, but we have all four of the riders. Now, if we go to Riders tab, we have another one unlocked. Now, the ones left are. I forgot his name. This is Heather, that is Dagger, that is Eret, and that is Valka. Yeah. And that is Light Fury, a dragon itself a rider. Hmm. Yes, I remembered. Gobber had the dagger, Valka, Eret. Yeah, I remember all of them. Stoic isn't here. I think Skull Crusher will be Eret. Yeah. So as you can see, I have a lot of things. Stormfly, Hookfang, Buff and Belch, and Meatlug. You have all of them now. So guys, let's get to Arena 2 might as well. It's just three battles and they aren't really that hard. They can't cope up with my strength. Yeah. This does great amount of damage, but yeah. The rain cutter is really good, not gonna lie. People don't lie when they say rain cutter is good. And I'm never going to leave these two games. I'll probably make like different types of content on all of these games. Yeah. And yeah, that will take a lot of time. And that can only happen when you support me by clicking that red subscribe button. And you can make it gray, which you should. What what do you hypnotize? This or this? Because both of them have strength. So yeah, I don't know. What can you do? Okay. He has gained even more strength. Now you can hit him even harder. I think he's going to take down my rain cutter. Yeah, I knew it. Yeah, now I'll do the opposite. Actually, I should have killed him. He just gained strength. Seriously? I seriously don't know what he is doing. Please hit now. Yeah, that's way better. For the sake of flexing, let's do that. And now we will go like this and we won. Money, 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 money. You're so good at this game. And I'm I'm very good at Jurassic World, the game as well. Just joking, I shouldn't praise myself. You have seen me lose one or two times, and I don't win always as well. I think we can do it in, or we can just go 12 minutes. It doesn't hurt me. It's like human retention rate is quite low nowadays. And when they see these high numbers, their eyes baffle up. Okay, you're breaking. Yeah, yeah. Snapper fan, yeah. Hit it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Done. Now we have four dragons on our team for two turns, obviously. What will you do? I didn't even do anything. Go for your massive attack. Oh, somebody else went for the massive attack. Yeah, this much held down is good. He'll go for my rain cutter. Okay, he didn't. Do something good, yes. Defense down. He had too much defense. Not good. Okay, my rain cutter down. Yeah, that's how much damage I did to it, even after it's. Yeah. Those heart shaped creatures have. I think it was Furious Flame. Something like that. Yeah, they have a lot of health. You can see Gronkle stands out real well. I don't need you bothering me. Sneasel. No. Snaffle fan. Yeah, hit him. Yeah, good. Confuse him. Yeah, nice. I seriously like friendly fire. When they just kill their own teammates, it's so fun to watch. Yeah. Oh wait, he didn't die. Yeah, sad. Okay, Snapper Fang down. Gronkles next. Yeah. I need Statue of Heroic Precision. It will help me. These evasions are no good, you know. 20,000 word. What do I do with it? I don't know. But I'm not stopping till I reach Arena 3. Okay, okay. Yeah. Okay, Hookfang is number 2. So we'll perfectly get it. Okay. Exotic Whispering Death might be good. Yes, 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 yes. Done. It has 3 points. Can it do it? Yes. Defender Gronk. Okay. Yeah. Let's do this. Seems kinda interesting. Yeah, I did something and meant. They both are at low HP. I think it will go again. Yeah. It is deed. Deed. Now this will be also deed. Yeah, we are so good. Victory. Arena 3. New stage unlocked. 20,000 fish. Not too bad. Yeah, as you can see, Dragon's Rise of Berk ready for flight. Very good game. You should play it. And it's been a long time since I have played it. And made 3 videos in just, what do you call it? Yeah, in just one day. Now we can get Catastrophic Quake in. I don't know how to get it. Open token pack. Oh. So I guess guys, it for the video. We'll meet in the next one. Bye.